You might as well go jump in the river.
Yeah. April. I'm not aware of what month I'm in, unless I shout fire and clip that later.
Just like that. Dang, he was flying.
Good thing he didn't stop when he
was flying. Hey, I don't know. Just like that.
You park like a jerk in your truck all the time.
Slow down, lady.
Slow down. I don't think she can hear me.
Baby, I guess I'll just.
Register your car, get a t-shirt.
Hey, yeah, that's us.
Like sat in a recliner, because every time you would let the recliner down and it would pop, he would like scout.
Well, nobody ever questions it.
You're a professional blogger.
Yeah. I mean, son, are you even going to like wipe your chin? It's caught in your chin hairs in your cut.
I don't have anything to
That's
go
when
with.
you know. Look, that's when you're enjoying it.
Hand it to me.
You weren't even filming.
I asked for that. There, I was trying to show you there's a napkin between those two plates.
That's why I don't want one.
Yeah.
Well, go over there and shake off.
They're the messiest thing.
You might as well go jump in the river.
20 minutes later.
Today is, let's see,
Saturday.
May the 29th. April. Let's start over. Can we start over?
Yes, we can.
I'm not aware of what month I'm in. Today is April the 29th, 2023. We're at Smoking on the Water. We're enjoying these beautiful cars. All the money is going to a benefit for the kids, the way I understand it, for colleges and whatnot. And we've actually attended this show over the years at least a dozen times, and each time it's even more fun. Today there's over 170 something cars, and that's a phenomenally high number considering the weather is absolutely perfect. The music is amazing. The barbecue was delicious. I made homemade rolls. You got to get some. And my husband still hasn't sat down. Johnny, sit down. He's not listening. He's not listening. Anyway, he never listens unless I shout fire. Then he starts paying attention. You might want to clip that later.
wave and talk to everybody. Got no bug.
Yeah.
I like it. still trying to back out on Facebook.
I'm not aware of what month I'm in. You might want to clip that last part.